takes nothing to get there. No remedies needed. No killing, hurting, or scaring. No blood to be bleeding. It's always needed. It's understood in the creed. It's called unforced peace. Unforced peace everywhere. Unforced peace in the palaces. Unforced peace in the Indies. Unforced peace where it's still. Unforced peace where it's windy. Unforced peace in cathedrals. Unforced peace in churches. Unforced peace on earth is.
Alright, just see it right here.
Oh, I didn't get that last trick. I didn't get the line.
It takes nothing to get there. No remedies needed. No killing, hurting, or scaring. No blood to be bleeding.